going.
Oh yeah. How was that?
That was rad. I missed a whole lot more than I thought I did.
Oh, no worries. We got another drum.
But I'm hitting the same ones. Do I have to pull back to release this?
Yep.
Or
So you'll pull that bolt back and then just double check that chamber. There you go.
Rad.
And then your thumb, you'll have to pull that up and you'll clip that mag in, right? And just be careful, that bolt is to the rear.
The bolt is to the what?
The bolt's all the way locked back, so
Oh,
any movement, if that bolt goes home while you're putting that mag in, she'll shoot.
Thank you. Okay, well let's aim it that way then.
Yep, too far. There you go.
Yeah.
And you're set, ready to go again.